Elisabeth von Eicken was born July 18, 1862, died July 21, 1940. She was a German landscape painter. After studying in Merano, Menton, Geneva and Berlin, she continued her training in Paris with Edmond Yon. In this period she was strongly influenced, in her landscape painting, by the Barbizon School and by Alfred Sisley. From 1894 von Eicken worked as a freelancer in the artists' colony at Ahrenshoop and in Berlin-Grunewald. In 1894 she built a house in Ahrenshoop, where she was close to the founders of the artists' colony, including Paul Müller-Kaempff, Friedrich Wachenhusen, Gerresheim and Fritz Grebe. In Berlin she was regularly represented, from 1894, at the Great Berlin Art Exhibition, and also on international art exhibitions including in Munich, Paris, and St. Louis. She was a member of the Association of Berlin Woman Artists and the General German Arts Cooperative. In 1895 she married Henry Edler von Paepke, the lord of the manor of Quassel near Lübtheen in Mecklenburg.